The system is live. Everything is running the way it should. That's when cybersecurity becomes part of your day-to-day work. Most issues don't start with alarms. They show up as small changes in behavior or activity that don't match what you expect, and they are easy to overlook if you don't know what to watch for. IACS Cybersecurity Operations and Maintenance, IC37, is a training course from the International Society of Automation that focuses on post-deployment operations and maintenance. You learn how to monitor the system, investigate what you're seeing, and decide what needs attention while operations continue. You also work through how changes are handled over time, so updates and maintenance do not introduce new risk into the system. And when something does happen, you are ready to respond in a way that keeps the system stable. Register for IACS Cybersecurity Operations and Maintenance, IC37, and learn how to detect issues early and keep your system running without disruption. Register today.